Question will be for Mr. Ajinkya, the man who's been a part of the project. Basic question है सबसे पहले with our friends from the media would love to know ये कहाँ पे आ रहा है? This is on OTT, this is releasing in films. If you could just give like a basic outline.
हमारा विजन तो ग्लोबल है, so we'll be playing both theatrical as well as OTT release. That's the best part of AI films. The visuals can be adapted seamlessly, be it theatrical or digital. So theaters, OTT, everywhere.
एक डर का माहौल पूरे दुनिया में बना हुआ है अभी राइट नाउ कि AI जो है वो इंसानों का काम छीन रहा है, it's taking away jobs. But is it actually going to take away jobs in filmmaking? Who better than a producer to answer that?
So not really. See, every technology when it comes, it faces backlash, right? So it was earlier animation, then VFX. Now this is the new one. So it's not actually taking away any jobs. It is not taking away creativity. It is just amplifying it. It enhances the creativity. The musicians, editors, writers, artists, all of them are still at the core. So it's not taking up any jobs, but it's also promoting or giving up more jobs, right? For AI editing, AI animation, prompt designing, there are many more jobs which have been developed. So it's correct. So it's not taking away jobs, in fact it's creating more too.
So basically, with time and technology, you need to upgrade yourself and your skills, and if you're doing that, you're always secure and safe, right? Correct.
And that should be, people should keep upgrading and scaling themselves. So.
My last question to you before I move to Sir over there would be key, when it comes to AI and technology, people always have this conception that, if it's an AI thing, we don't have that human touch over there, the human element is not there, maybe it might lack the soul, शायद emotions missing हो जाए, उसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है sir?
So, it depends how well you create it, first of all. Secondly, emotions pixels se nahi aate, pixels cannot get emotions. So the storytelling and the vision is what gets the emotions. So if you have the direction, writing and everything bang on, then audiences will connect. Then even if it is shot in real or AI or any other tool, if the storytelling and the direction and writing is perfect, audiences will definitely connect.
We absolutely hope for that. Give a big round of applause once again for Ajinkya ji, please. Thank you so much. मैं विनिल सर को अगला सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा, please. Thank you so much. First of all,